Hey, Lily. You're doing so good. Hey, Lil. You say hi to Daddy? You gonna roll over for Daddy? Look at you rocking back and forth. You're trying, huh? Hey, Lil. Good job. Hey. Hey, pretty girl. What are you doing? What are you doing? Roll over. Gonna roll over for Daddy? No. Doing really good with tummy time, though. Hey, sweetie pie. Hey, sweetie. What are you doing? Hi, you waving? Are you waving? You gonna roll over? You gonna roll? Oh, is Coco gonna say hi? Coco. Cookie. Hey, Lil. You gonna roll over? Hey, Lil. Good boy. You gonna roll over? Oh, so close. So close. I thought you were gonna do it. You gotta show Daddy. You gotta show Daddy. Oh, wow, Lily. That was classy. That was really cute. Is anything coming up after that? You okay? Whoa, look at you flying, girl. Look at your legs. You little flying girl. Cookie, relax. Nothing came out. Just a little spit. Go. Here, let's prop you up again. Hold on, I'll help you. Prop up. Here you go. You gonna roll for Dad? Let's see you roll. Oh! Yay! No, push over! Push over! Good job! You did it! Good job, Lil. We'll show Daddy. Good job. Say, hi, Daddy. Look what I did. Good job, Lil. Good girl. Good girl. You did a good job. Good job. Yay! Yay! Good job, Lily. Good job. You're a good girl. Hi, you're a good girl, huh? Good job.